Hi everyone, it's Trunk Club Day. So I have another really big box. I'm not going to show it to you because it's too big, but it's open here on the ground. I didn't look at anything, I just opened it up so that I'd be able to take the stuff out more easily. So this is the first bundle, very exciting. I'm going to unwrap it and I'll come and show you what's in it in just a second. So I forgot to tell you what I asked for. I asked for high-waisted pants or jeans and leopard print items because I don't have anything leopard print and I'd really like to add something like that to my wardrobe. So let's get into the first bundle. The first is a pair of gray jeans from Leith. They're skinnies. They don't look like they have any distressing on them, which is good. I don't have a pair of pants this color or jeans this color. It's intriguing to me, so I'm excited to try these on and see how they fit. So that's the first pair. I got a lot of jeans in this bundle especially. The second is a pair of Madewell jeans. It's their 10-inch high-rise skinny. So as you can see, they're skinny. Again, not much to see. They're not distressed or anything. They're a dark wash. And I'm looking forward to trying these on because I've been kind of nervous to go into a Madewell and try stuff on. Just not because I'm nervous to try stuff on in Madewell, but just because I didn't know if they would fit me and I really want them to. They're kind of expensive jeans and yeah, it's not really a good explanation, but I have like a little bit of anxiety about going into the store and not having anything fit me, which I think is normal for people who are in between sizes like I am. The next thing is this French Connection dress. I'll show you the print. It's really pretty. It's red with red and off-white flowers. It's a cap sleeve dress, I believe. Yeah. And it's A-line, and it looks like it's a little bit above the knee. I think this is going to be really cute. So I'm looking forward to trying that on. And another pair of jeans. These are the Levi's Wedgie Fit jean, which I've also been curious to try on, but I didn't know where to go and try them on. I didn't know Nordstrom carried them. So these are in kind of a washed black, I would say. So they're reading a little bit blue on camera, but they're pretty black. They look like they've been run through the wash a bunch of times. So I'm looking forward to trying that on. Next, I'm not really sure what this is, so we'll open it up and see. Oh, that's the bottom. It's a casual dress, I think. It has like this is the front. So it has smocking on the top. It has smocking on the top and it has an elasticated waist. It's got long sleeves with a little ruffle detail at the bottom. And tassel ties. I don't really love this, pulling this out of the trunk. It's from Topshop, but it is really soft, so I'll definitely give it a try. I'm pretty sure this is not going to be very good looking on me, so we'll see. Okay, I think this is the last pair of jeans in this bundle, and these are the high-rise Donna ankle skinny from Cut from the Cloth. They're not distressed, but they're kind of a faded wash. I had a pair of Cut from the Cloth, or didn't have a pair of Cut from the Cloth jeans. I got a pair in a Stitch Fix, and I noticed that as I wore them around, they kind of stretched out, so I didn't end up getting them. I don't know, that was a little while ago though, so maybe their jeans have gotten a little bit different. I don't know. We'll try them on and see. Next is, I think this is another dress. It has a really it has a sheer top. I'm not sure if you can see that really well. But right at the shoulder, it's sheer. And then it goes into a hot pink, just hot pink solid color. And on the shoulders, there's this really pretty ruffle detail. This seems okay. It's kind of a strange choice for this time of year. But if I like it, I'm open to keeping it because, like I've said in like every single video, it's gonna get warm here soon. So, might not be a bad thing to have in the closet. And then I have my first item of leopard print in the box, and I'm super excited about this. I was excited when I pulled it out of the trunk. It is a dress. It's long sleeved. It has these buttons down the side, gold buttons, and it is straight. It has pockets with the same gold button detail. It looks like it's to the knee, and it has an exposed zipper in the back, but not too much of an exposed zipper, so it's not too bad. I'm really excited to try this on. I think it's going to look great on me. So I'm going to take the next bundle out. It looks like it's 2 coats, and I'll just turn this off and unwrap the bundle. Alright, so the first thing in this bundle is a coat. It's the second leopard print item in this trunk. It's like more of a snow leopard print, so it's gray with black. It's super soft. It has buttons. Oh no, it has a hook and eye closure, which is good because I did get a trunk with a whole bunch of fuzzy coats in it, because I'm kind of looking for a fuzzy coat, and none of them had closures, which it kind of defeats the purpose of a coat. So this one is more up my alley, and hopefully it'll look good on. The second item in this bundle is this teddy bear coat. I'm not sure how I feel about teddy bear coats. I kind of have a coat that's similar to this color already in this same shape, so I'm probably going to nix this, but you've been seeing teddy bear coats all over Instagram and lots of fashion bloggers wearing them and stuff like that, so I'm definitely willing to give it a try just to see how it looks on. They're pretty cool. Okay, and then the last 2 things in this are not... Oh, it is bundled. Okay, the last 2 things are a pair of shoes and a bag. They are bundled, so I'm going to just turn the camera off and come back. Okay, so the last 2 items are leopard print. The first of the 2 items is this pair of sneakers. Oh, and they're calf hair sneakers with gold accents on the sides. Actually, when I saw these online, I wasn't very excited about them, but I like them a lot better in person. So it'd be interesting to see how these fit. They have a big E, they're Sam Edelman, on the back, and it looks like they've been worn already, or maybe that's just scuffing from inside the box, but they're kind of, you can see it here, they're kind of a little bit scuffed up, so I'm not sure. They don't look like they've been worn at all, but that's kind of strange. Okay, and the next thing is also a leopard print thing. It's this wonderful calf hair clutch. This is by, oh, it doesn't say, by BP. It doesn't have any straps in it, but it does have places for cards, and I really like this. So if nothing else works, I'm probably going to keep this, and then we'll see what else works. This is the first coat. I think it makes me look a lot bigger than I am, and I'm not really a fan of the color on me. So this is a no. I'll show you all around. It has pockets, and it has a button clasp with another button on the inside. That's what it looks like opened. It's not for me. I think it looks better on other people. This is the second coat. It feels a little too small on me. I'm not sure if it actually is because the shoulders seem to hit me in the right spot. The sleeves are supposed to be short. I'm pretty sure I saw that on the website, so there's not an issue there. but just when I move around, I just feel like it doesn't sit properly on me. And also the pockets are in a really strange place. They're pretty far back. So I don't think I'd be comfortable in this coat. I'd be constantly adjusting it all night, and I don't really like it when I have to do that with clothes, so this is also a no. So I'm going to try all the jeans on one after the other. These are the cut from the cloth jeans. They're nice and high-waisted. I'm happy with the cut of them, but I'm not really a fan of the wash on the fronts of the legs. It looks a little dated to me. They're a good skinny. They're not like sucking my, they're not strangling my ankles like the ones that I tried on in a previous trunk club were. But yeah, I think these are a pass just because of the wash on the front of the jeans. These are the wedgie cut jeans from Levi's. Again, really good high waist. They're hitting me at the right spot. The only thing about these, well, there's two things about these. The wash, like I said, looks like someone ran black jeans through the wash a bunch of times. And I don't know that I have stuff in my closet that's going to go with that. The other thing is that I think they're supposed to be a little bit more relaxed fit, but they feel really baggy in the knees. I'm not sure if it picks up on camera. I'm not 100% sold on these, although I do really like the fit in the waist, which is nice. And it feels, and they got described to me as being not very stretchy, and I find that there's a nice amount of stretch in them. So I'm open to these in a different wash, probably. So these are the Madewell jeans. I really like them. They're very comfortable. They sit at the right spot on my waist as well. The only thing about them is that they feel a little too skinny in the ankle, so that strangulation of my ankle sensation is going on. The wash is good, but I think they're $110, and to be honest, I have a pair of cheaper jeans that do the same thing for much less money, so probably not going to pick them up. One thing I will say though is that they do feel like they're holding me in a little bit better than most jeans that I wear, and I'm really glad that I fit into them, so that's good. So this is the final pair of jeans. They're a really cool color. I don't have, like I said, I don't have anything like them. The only thing about them is that you can see the outline of the pocket really well, and while I would probably wear a shirt to cover that, that kind of bothers me. I don't want, if my shirt shifts, that people can see the outline of my pockets in their entirety. So this is probably a pass as well. This is the first dress. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. It fits me really well. The only thing is, that's a normal thing for me, is that I think it's a little bit big in the shoulders, but I don't think it's anything that anyone would really notice. It just fits a little looser up top. It has pockets, and like I said, it's above the knee, and there's a really pretty lining on the inside, which I kind of wish would show on the outside as well. It's blue. It's the same pattern, but it's blue. It's a stretchy fabric, and it's nice and heavy. I have a dress that's this cut almost exactly, except it's stripy. So I would have to see how much this is and consider it, but this is a definite maybe. So this is the next dress. I don't remember the brand. I think it's Topshop actually. I don't like this at all on me. I think it makes my chest look huge. I don't like the neckline. I think it would probably look better on someone who didn't have quite as big of a chest, but I'm not really sure that it would. It has these ties and the ruffly sleeve. Just not a fan. This is the last thing I'm trying on. The hot pink dress that I showed you didn't quite fit over my butt, so I can't wear it on camera. This is the leopard print dress. I told you it had pockets. They're actually faux pockets, which is kind of disappointing. It has this great button detail down the sleeves. I'm just not sure it really makes me look as good as I can look. So I think I'm gonna pass on this, which is a shame because I was really excited about it. So I'll be back with my final thoughts in just a sec. Back with my final thoughts. So I tried the shoes on. I didn't film it because it's hard to film trying shoes on. They don't really fit me very well, even though they're pretty cool. They're a little too big and they feel a little bit like clown shoes. Not that they look that big on me, but they just didn't do it for me. So I think we're left with this clutch, which I believe is $45. Let me just check. The leopard print genuine calf hair pouch from BP is $45. So I'm definitely keeping this. I love it. I don't have anything flashy that's a clutch to go with outfits, and I think it's the perfect pop of leopard print for me. So this is definitely staying. And this dress, it is so gorgeous. It's from French Connection. I think it fit me really well. I'm really happy with it. This one is $168, so a little bit on the pricier side, but I checked my budget for the month and I have money in it to spend on it. So I think I'm gonna not buy the other clothes that I was thinking of buying this month. Maybe they'll get bumped to next month, or maybe I just won't get them because I don't need that many clothes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.